Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. In today's video, we will see how to implement JWT token in ASP.NET Web MVC. So we have a ASP.NET Web application here, and we will see how we can add JWT token for authorization in this. Okay. So first of all, for implementing JWT token, you will require a Nugget package. So you have to install this package system.identity model and .token.jwt in your application. Now once you do install this package, now you can actually start working upon implementing JWT. Okay, so we have one account controller over here and we have one login method over here where we will implement the JWT token. Okay, first of all, what you will need is you have to go to the models and here you will add one new authentication.cs class. In this class, you will write the code for generating the token. Okay, so here we are requiring the username and roles list here. Okay, so you can change these as per your requirement. So first of all, we will add claims like whatever we want to be converted in the token. Okay, so we will add all the claims. So here we have used username and this is the token and this is a name identifier which will have username. Okay, and also we will just add roles inside the claims. Okay, so now these claims have username and roles also. So after that you will require the this code to generate the token. So you will require a JWT key. Now this is a random string that you can use for your authentication. So here we have added four values here in the app setting file in web config. Okay, so here you can see JWT key. Now this key can be anything. You can modify this as per your wish, and then you have to set the expiration time, like when the token will expire, and JWT issuer will be the URL on which you are working on. Okay, so now JWT audience is secure API user. Okay, you can pass that. Now here we have two more things, is username and password, because we are not using database here, so we are just gonna validate using the username and password. Okay, so here coming back, we will just see the requirements again. So we will use JWT key for creating a symmetric security key, and then we will also check how many days is the expiration time, and we will add that into the variable, and then we will pass all the information to new JWT security token. So here you can see we have added the claims that we have created above. Okay, and we have also set the expiration time, and we have just passed the issuer and audience also. So it will generate a new token and it will return back the token because it is a string method. Okay, now we have used it inside the account controller here. So here we are getting the username and password, and we are verifying if the username and password is correct with the web config password. You can create a database call over here to check if the username password is correct. Okay, so once you make sure that username and password is correct, then you can also look for the roles of the user. Okay, so this is entirely a custom code for JWT token, because you will find some solutions which are using the default tables of ASP.NET, like which is provided by identity framework of Microsoft. Okay, so the main issue with that is that that have lots of tables which are already created, and it is really hard to modify into that code. So that's why we are just using a custom code for creating JWT token, because here you can control the things, you can remove things and add more things as per your wish. So after creating the roles and getting the username, we are passing both to the method that we have just watched before this, and it will return back a security token which we have passed in the session, and also returning to the view. Okay, so on the view you can see the token generated by our code. Okay, so again I will just run the application once more. So we will provide you the code link in the description from where you can get the code and you can try that on your own. So the username is user and we will add the password here. Okay. Now we will click on login and it will get here. Now we will just see the roles and see it is passing the username and roles here. Okay, so now we will just click on next and it will get to the generate JWT token code and here it will return back a security token. Okay, so we will just copy the security token from here and I will also let you know how you can actually verify this token. So this is the token that is generated. Okay, so you can go to JWT IO website and here we will just pass the encoded token over here and it will return back the details which are encrypted. Okay, so you can see the issuer URL here and the secure API user value that we have saved and then the roles are here. Okay, and also the username you can see in the name identifier. This is the username. Okay, so this is you can see all the details being encrypted in this format. Okay, so this is how you can generate a JWT token in ASP.NET Web MVC. Now for the code part, you can actually go to our official website coordinate.com and I will also provide you a direct link to the blog. So here if you go down, you will be able to see the blog which have the code for JWT. So here this is a blog how to implement JWT token authentication in ASP.NET MVC. You can open up the blog and there you will be able to see the code that we have just seen in the video. Okay, so if you have any kind of issue with the code, then you can comment on the video. So thanks for watching, guys.